Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi, if you're new, happy Monday. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my desk tour. So I recently have been getting a lot of questions about what's on my desk and like what's over here and where's everything from. So I figured I would just share a desk tour video with you guys explaining where everything is from in great detail, even inside of my desk as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload. And if you guys haven't seen my room tour, I will insert a card for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys do. And let's just get right into it. So I'm just going to give you a little overview of my desk and then I will get into all the details. The actual desk is from IKEA along with my office chair and this little fur rug I picked up at TJ Maxx, and then these shelving units are also from IKEA. So I'm just going to start with the wall decor first. And I get the most questions on my vision boards. So I actually have a whole DIY video on my channel all about them, but they are two really big cork boards that I picked up from Target, and I spray painted the borders of them white, and then I just filled them with little special memories and stuff that I found off Pinterest. I really wanted it to be very pink, and then I also put some fairy lights on it, and I have Christmas lights on it as well. And I just think it's so pretty, and I love how it turned out. I get so much inspiration when I'm sitting at my desk, but I also like how the borders are very clean, not too much stuff is hanging off of it, so you can still see them. And then when you go down, you just see my iMac. So I have this on the center of my desk. I sometimes will put it in the corner, but I love having it in the center. And my wallpaper I found on Pinterest. I will have it linked down below for you guys in case you guys want to check it out. It's like seriously so cute with little zebras. But like I mentioned, starting with the artwork, this monogram frame, I actually DIY'd it. So it's just a white frame with my monogram. I printed it off. I found like a free monogram maker online, printed it on white computer paper and placed it in the frame. Then over here I have this little Be a Flamingo and a Flock of Pigeons artwork, which I made in high school and just put it in a gold frame. And then moving on to this side, I just have this super cute white and black Love What You Do plaque that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, along with a little picture frame of me and John. And then on this stuff I just have this gold lamp that is from Target. I love it, it's so perfect. And then I just have my little Google Home Mini along with this cup from Anthropologie filled with pink pens. I love adding just pink pens in here. I feel like it really makes the aesthetic pop. And then underneath my computer I have this little glass bowl that I got from my grandparents, and I just put the bracelets that are for sale on my Etsy account in there. I have an iPhone charger, and then I just have my blue light glasses along with the keyboard and mouse. These are external hard drives for my computer. I have a little whale sticker from Vineyard Vines and this little cutout that says dream it, believe it, achieve it, you can create your reality, taped onto my computer. And then on this side I have a few little decorations. So first I have this flower vase. The fake flowers and the vase is from Walmart. Seriously, so inexpensive, you guys, and I feel like it just adds a cute little touch. I also have a pink one, so I'll switch them out occasionally. And then I have this super cute little sparkly Eiffel Tower decoration that my mom got me. And then I just have a pink candle from Bath & Body Works with my little vintage phone for my Call You Later podcast. So that's super cute and I love it. It just sits on my desk all the time. And then I also do keep some notebooks over here during the day, like what I'm working on in my agenda. So that is everything on my desk and the artwork. So I'm going to show you guys inside my desk and then the little cabinet next to it. So in this drawer, I keep all of my beads for my bead business, which is on Etsy in case you guys want to check it out. I just have them organized by color and all my letters categorized, and then just some more, and then finished products, little friendship bracelets, and the little string that I use. It's pretty organized. And then this one's a little bit more messy, but it just has a lot more stuff in it. So all the drawer organizers, these little plastic things, are from Target. I think they're actually in the kitchen section, but they're just so helpful for keeping everything organized inside of here. It's honestly a hot mess, but I know where everything is. So in the back, I just have some little command hooks, some cables that I honestly have no idea where they go, little plugs, my little sewing kit, and some index cards. And then over here, I just have some erasers, Sharpies, and highlighters. I have a tape measure, and this is just like random pens, pencils, paintbrushes, my scissors, some glue. And then this one's also very random because I have so much IKEA furniture. It's just like all the extra little pieces. This one used to be like a bunch of little tacks and stuff, but then I started putting random stuff in here. So I have like a little taco pin, this big diamond. I just like want to put it in my like sketchbook and stuff, so I just kind of throw it in here. And then this has jump drives and SD cards. And then over here, I have some Kellyprepster stickers, which are for sale on my Etsy, stamps, stickers, some gift cards that I need to use. And then it's kind of a little bit more techy, so I just have some plugs, like my laptop converter thing, chargers, my battery charger, headphones, an external charger, and post-it notes. So that is everything that is on my desk. It's super simple, but I love it. And then I want to show you guys what I keep over here. So the top part just has sweaters folded because I was running out of storage in my closet. But then the second half is all office stuff, except for this black bin that has a bunch of like random accessories and stuff in it. So over here, I just have a binder, and they're all like standing up in this little clear thing that I got from TJ Maxx. So I have a binder with all my paperwork in it. I have some old journals, my sketchbook, my Lily agenda from last year, this little fake plant, the twinkly lights, and then some little rocks. And one of them I just recently painted. I think it's seriously so cute. And then underneath it, I just have more books and textbooks. So all back there is just all my favorite books that I have. And then I just have like stuff over here, like textbooks and stuff, my old sketchbook, my journals, some books that I've been reading lately, my gratitude journal, and some markers. And this little cube are all my cameras. So I have my Polaroid camera, my disposable cameras, an extra lens, another little leafy green, a cup, a Vineyard Vines box, and then my laptop case. I usually keep like all my paperwork, like envelopes and stuff that I get in the mail. But since I just did all my taxes, all that stuff's gone. And then underneath that, I just keep all my thread for making friendship bracelets. And this super cute little elephant. And then some envelopes. And then this box just has paperwork and stuff in it. But that is my desk tour. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little desk tour. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys did. And if you're new to my channel, again, hit that subscribe button so you can get notified the next time I upload. If you guys have any video requests, let me know in the comments down below. I do read and respond back to every single comment, and I love being able to chit chat with you guys. And I just hope you're having a wonderful day, staying safe and staying healthy, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!